Some people ask me why I have such a good mood these days. Well, that's a very good question. My mood is because 12th of March we have a Digital Olympus. Everyone knows Digital Olympus, an amazing online event. An event that you can participate from your bed, from your bathroom if you have waterproof device, or from your office. Lots of amazing speakers, lots of amazing topics, lots of about SEO and online marketing. So if you want to know more about AMPs, crawling, schema markups, or maybe link building, don't forget to join us. 12 March. See you there. Bye.